Okay, so we have discussed about the plane mirrors. Now we are going to talk about spherical mirrors. You know, concave, convex mirror. Everyone knows about concave and convex mirror. You must have studied in the lower classes. But we have to discuss a lot of things about concave and convex mirror. And one more important thing I would like to let you know that is when we compare to NCERT book, in our books, optics, a lot of things we have to discuss. One by one we will discuss, and it is very well organized and all. So you don't have to worry about anything, right? So only thing you got to do something on the concepts, because concepts should be very clear. There are a couple of derivations, especially in the case of lenses and all. In the case of lenses, we have to discuss some more derivations and all. You just keep in your mind. I'm just saying, okay. Alright. So what are spherical mirrors? And spherical, from the word itself, it is very clear. It is something related to sphere, right? So let's have a hollow sphere. So I have a hollow sphere here. Okay, I took a lot of time to draw this, because you know that I can't draw a perfect circle in that way. Okay, and also then I did a perfect circle. I think it's pretty perfect. Okay, so then okay, so in a sphere I have made like two portions of the sphere, and you know that this one, let's say this, I call it as AB, this is CD, and AB and CD are parts of a sphere, right? A hollow sphere. So you imagine that there is a sphere, and I have an imaginary knife, so I cut two portions of the sphere, and that is actually what AB and CD. Alright, so I would like to tell you that if I do something, that is, if I make this inner side of CD as a reflective surface, and for AB outer surface is reflective, then for AB outer surface is reflective, and for CD inner surface is reflective, then we call this one as concave mirror, and we call this one as convex mirror. You know that, right? Here inner surfaces, so I take both of them and I keep it here. So this is what is my AB, and this is what is my CD, and this is inner reflective, this is outer reflective. Okay, such things. And for example, in our mirror, plane mirror, you know that one, like that you can see your image, that is what is reflective, and the outer one, like there is some polish thing happened, so that is what is actually non-reflective surface. So you know that, right? Okay, so let's come back to the sphere. One more thing, the line which is passing through, like we are going to discuss all the parameters related to the mirrors. So one line which is passing through the center of the mirrors, so that is known as principal axis. And also you just keep in your mind, that is actually the center, that point, that line which passes through this also, the center of the mirror. And the center of this mirror, or center of the sphere, so we call it as, what is this? Center of curvature. Center of curvature. Okay, so I will explain these things, and you have to write down what are these things. You can refer our textbook. That is the best material for this. Okay, so center of curvature, and the line which is passing principal axis. And what about the radius of this sphere? That is known as radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Okay, this is center of curvature. We represent by C, or we can represent by O also. Okay, and radius of curvature we represent by R. So radius of curvature, you know that it's the radius of the sphere, but we consider it as radius of curvature of the mirror. Alright. So then, so we discussed principal axis, we discussed radius of curvature, we discussed center of curvature. Okay. and let's say the other things. Okay, and we can consider this is the center of the mirror. Okay, this is the center of the mirror, and then what about the pole? This is what is known as pole. That is center of the mirror. Center of the mirror in the sense that is this is the mirror, and what is the central portion of that mirror? Okay, center of CD or center of AB, that is known as pole. Okay, and you know that like intentionally I have missed something. I missed some kind of things, I mean some kind of parameters, and which are very important. I missed. Which all are they? Guess it. Yes, focus, focal point, focal length. I missed all these things. I have missed it intentionally. Unintentionally. That is, I did it because next video we will discuss about that. Okay. Because I want to explain what is focus, focal point, focal length in a detailed manner. So that is why I missed it. I just moved forward to the next video. Okay. So we will see in the next video. Thank you.